Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be remaking one of the new songs that I just dropped, Bnxn featuring Rema. A very nice groovy beat, and a big shout out to Blaze Beat, did an amazing production on that beat. So without wasting time guys, let's go right to our DAW so I show you guys how I remade that beat. And if you're on the Patreon, you're gonna be getting access to this FLP so you could play around with it. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Quickly, I'm just gonna play the beat for you guys, so you hear what it sounds like. Big shout out to Blaze Beat, man. He killed this beat as usual. I've already created the whole beat, so I'm just gonna show you guys the breakdown, how I remade everything. But before then, let me just play with the vibe so you hear, what it actually sounds like. Yeah, so basically that's just the beat, the same thing playing all through. But I'm just gonna show you guys, how I was able to do this breakdown. So the first thing I started with was the snare, because listening to the drums, I first started with the drums basically, and we have the snare, just a basic snare, and this is what the snare sounds like. Yeah, so we have that snare. Then we have the next thing was a conga. So the conga from P to J pack. Then the next thing is this percussion from P to J pack also. Then the next thing is the kick. And the kick is from Mastercraft pack. So yeah, just needed that nice punchy kick. So it sounds like this. So together with the the drums, everything sounds like this. And that's basically everything for the drums, man. Very, very simple and straightforward. Then there's this tom. Yeah, and this is what the tom sounds like. Or a conga, basically like a conga. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like. And together with the drums, with that conga, we have this. Nice, simple. Then the next thing was a shaker, and I was just trying to save time to quickly just prepare for this tutorial. So I just got a shaker that was kind of close to that, and this is what a shaker sounds like. Doesn't really sound like the original shaker on this song, but I feel like it gives it that vibe. So together with the shaker and the drums, you have this. Yeah, and that's basically the whole drum that was playing, all through the song, and nice and simple. Then the next thing was, the chord progression. And for the chords, I'm using SKY keys. I'm just using this beautiful road preset. So in case you have SKY keys, the beautiful road preset, and this is what it sounds like, that preset. This is what the chord progression sounds like basically. Yeah. Yeah, so that's basically what the chord progression is playing. So I just layered this chord progression with a pad. So the pad is playing the same thing. And for the pad, I'm using Analog Lab. I'm using this City of the Lost preset. And this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so just basically the same thing. So with the chords now and the, you know, the drums, we have this vibe. Yeah, very simple, and that was just playing all through, you know, all through the song. Then we have this bass, and for the bass, I'm using sub-boom bass, and yeah, sub-boom bass, just using this preset, a journey in bass and more. I think that sounds like that's close to, you know, the actual preset that was used. So let me just solo that, and it sounds like this. Yeah. Yeah, so just a nice bass, you know, to just solidify that low end. So together with the drums and the, you know, the bass and the chords, we have this. Yeah, and that's basically like all. Then when we get to the, you know, when we get to the hook part, I think that was like the hook, you know, there was this violin. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. Yeah. There, you know. Yeah, so I think I tried. I think I tried. So together, you know, with that part sounds like with the drums and everything together. Let me just play the drums and the chords, you know, with the violin. It sounds like this. You want to time Yeah, nice one. Then the next thing is the log drums, and for the logs, you know, I just have some one-shot logs, and this is what it sounds like with the logs. Yep, nice. Then, you know, with the bass, so for the bass, the same bass that was playing, you know, for the verse, but this is just more like single notes. Nice. Then the next thing, they just layered with some snare, you know, some snare just to give it like the, you know, the log drums more articulation. So it sounds like Yep, nice. I think that's basically like everything that I was just playing all through this song. Then for the vocals, you know, I use Audimi, you know, to get nice quality vocals like this. So in case you want to try out Audimi, I'm gonna leave a link to just go try out Audimi. You can get nice acapellas, you can create, you know, choir vocals with, you know, Audimi. So this is what the vocal sounds like with the, you know, that hook part with the beats. You wanna time for my balance. You know straight Mykah, you too can enter for your water. You the owe me, you want the cup, go away, go. If gap there, you know, the Rema came in. So what I noticed, there was this like vocal effect playing all through the song. So I just extracted that from the original song, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so that's just playing all through. So, and I think that's basically like the whole, you know, the whole song. Very simple, straightforward, and energetic beat. So let's listen from the top, and I'm just gonna play everything so we listen. Alright guys, so I hope you got something from this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And like I said, this FLP is gonna be available on the Patreon channel. All you just have to do is click the link in the description, and you know, you'll be welcome with some amazing goodies. And for the next 1 month, I'm gonna be doing a discount on the Patreon. So with just $2, you know, you'll be able to access the exclusive content on the page for just a month. So if you're yet to join, you know the paid version, kindly hit the link also, and you know, choose the the subscription plan that works well for you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.